through the land. It's the voice of hope, it's the voice of peace, it's the love of every man. From a distance we all have enough, and no one is in need. There are no guns, no bombs, and no disease, no hungry mouths to feed. From a distance we are X-men, marching in a common band, playing songs of hope, playing songs of peace. There's the songs of every man. God is watching us, God is watching us, God is watching us from a distance. From a distance, you look like my friend, even though we are at one. From a distance, I just cannot comprehend what all these fighting's for. From a distance, there is harmony, and it echoes through the land. It's the hope of hope, it's the love of love, and it's the